Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make an omelet in the microwave. First, gather your ingredients and choose the right dish. You'll need 2 eggs, a splash of milk, and any fillings you like. Make sure your bowl is microwave safe and around 12 ounces, then give it a light grease to prevent sticking. Now, let's get mixing. Crack your 2 eggs into the prepared bowl and add 1 tablespoon of milk. Whisk them together thoroughly until everything is well combined. Don't forget to season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Finally, stir in up to 1/4 cup of your favorite fillings, like cheese or diced vegetables. It's time to cook. Place your bowl in the microwave and cook on high for 45 seconds. After this initial burst, gently stir the eggs. Then, return it to the microwave for another 30 to 45 seconds, or until the eggs are fully set and no liquid remains. Cooking times may vary slightly. Once cooked, carefully remove your delicious omelet from the microwave. It will be hot, so handle with care. Let it rest for about 1 minute. This helps it finish setting and makes it easier to enjoy. Top with your favorite salsa, herbs, or extra cheese and serve immediately. Be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your kitchen spotless.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.